What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 129, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at three stocks that I am potentially looking at right now that I could play at this moment to actually make some serious money. These stocks have been moving in terms of volume. They've been getting upgrades. We have earnings looming around the corner, and these stocks have pretty much been printing. All right. So first one we're going to take a look at today is going to be Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA. We have it pulled up on the daily chart. And as you guys can see, this stock has been doing the electric slide based on the fact that we have this descending channel. All right. So these two lines here, these two blue lines, indicates that the stock has just been sliding from its high of around, say, what, 27. Boom, 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 boom. Yesterday, it was here. We had some consolidation around here. So it was bouncing between 16 and a low of, say, like 15, 14, somewhere around there. Well, pre-market, as you guys can see right now, the stock is at 13 because the earnings numbers weren't good. And this line was obviously acting as resistance at one point. Well, guess what? This line is going to be smashed, right? And when it does get smashed, which it already has actually, when it's smashed, it's going to be coming down to this area, which is the 52-week low, which is around like $12.82. If it breaks below this line with confirmation, expect it to possibly slide to like $10. So I would look at, I would say, the $12 strike on puts, and I would give this some time to move because obviously this is going to be a slow burner. So I would say 30 to probably 60 days to give this time to move. But that's Walgreens. All right, next up on the list, we have Tesla. All right, one of the favorite stocks by a lot of traders, meme traders, whatever you want to call them. This stock is very, very, very popular. All right, so Tesla has been surging lately. Two things, really. They had some recalls that came out on the Cybertruck. First, they recalled about 3,000 trucks, and it was to fix something minor, like really, really minor. And then they recalled another 11,000 trucks. So a lot of people started speculating, wow, these guys sold, probably what, like 20,000 trucks within like a month and a half or something like that. So that started to like raise a lot of speculation in terms of, wow, this Cybertruck thing is really selling. I personally have only seen one in my neighborhood where I live, but I don't know. Maybe they're being sold a lot somewhere else, but I've seen one in my neighborhood. But regardless, people are using those recall numbers to kind of estimate what's going on in terms of Cybertruck sales. And I'm not exactly sure when they report numbers on the sales, but I do know that they're reporting earnings soon, which is going to be on July 17th. All right. So this $200 mark right here is going to be a key psychological level. Right now it's at 194, 195 pre-market. I see it hitting this level and smashing it to potentially go higher. Obviously with Tesla, it's very volatile. It's up and down. It's not one of those things that you want to bank on trading short term. So I would do a swing on Tesla, and I would give myself probably like a month or two out just for it to get. But I would definitely look at this $200 call, obviously because it's heading in that direction. And then two, that round number 200 is a psychological level. If it smashes that level, then we could potentially go back up to here, which is at the 220 range. But the last time it saw that range, as you guys could see at the bottom of the screen, was back in January of this year. All right. But definitely keep Tesla on your radar. All right. And the next stock that we have on the list is going to be Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, another favorite. For the longest, Apple has been like one of the largest companies on the, on the market. Recently, in terms of market cap, recently they were overtaken by Microsoft and then obviously by Nvidia, but Nvidia is kind of volatile right now, so it's going up and down. But Apple is a favorite. It's a favorite for traders. It's a favorite for long time holders. All right, these guys are always like buying up new shares, and when that happens, it just increases the price of the stock. They have been kind of lackluster, I would say, in terms of like staying on top of technology. But recently, they've been announcing that they're trying to strike AI deals with almost everybody, from Google to Amazon to Facebook, you name it. They're trying to strike a deal because they have this whole Apple Intelligence thing that's coming out, and it's going to be dropping in some of the newer phones, and they're trying to make this thing work. All right, but based on all that information that came out when they had that worldwide conference, they recently got a massive upgrade. And that upgrade came from no other company, Rosenblatt. That's right. They got a Rosenblatt upgrade. You guys know I'm huge on that. Rosenblatt upgrade is going to get the stock move. Right now, as you guys can see, it's floating somewhere around here, right? Pre-market, it's around like 214. I see this stock easily going back up to 220, which was its high around this area. So yeah, 220, 221. You could potentially look at, I would say, the 215 call. That would be a popular option. And I'm sure the volume is going to be really crazy. Again, with a stock like this, you want to give it like, I would say, a month or two out. Yes, those options are going to be more expensive because the more time you have, the more security you have, less time decay. Okay. So definitely, I would say look at the 215 strike on Apple. This is something that I have been playing this week and I've been hitting. Yesterday, I was 3 for 3 on this. And today, I'm going to watch it again and potentially go back in for day trades. Not sure if I'm going to be holding anything, close. So meaning if I was to do a swing, I'm not doing anything that's probably going to expire tomorrow, because tomorrow we do have the PCE data coming out. All right. So that is going to really shift the market. Leading up to that, you want to watch exactly what's going to happen. And then after the data is released, how the market's going to react to that. But again, because it's a triggering event, I would potentially wait until after the event to see how to play it. Or depending on the momentum, maybe there's good momentum leading up to it. All right. But playing Apple, like I said, I'm giving myself probably, a month or two to play these calls. But like I said, I would look at the 215 strike and potentially play this up, going up to back to where it was, which is around 221. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day, dropping gems that you could use along your investing journey. Please go ahead and like this video, but more importantly, share this video with a family member or friend. Thanks again for watching the video. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.